Hey, Smoking Bears here with you. Got something a little bit different. Got a corned beef brisket flat. No, it's point. I'm sorry. And we're going to put it on the Weber kettle. Already got the Weber kettle heated up. It's about, what was it, 300 degrees at the dome, or 325 at the dome, and then like 275 at the grate. So let me show you what we're working with here. All right, this is what we're working with. We got the point cut beef brisket, about 3.2 pounds. Got a couple PBRs I'm gonna put in a water pan above the coals, because I'm gonna be offset. And then we got a Cajun spice. We just made once. We're naming it the Bayou Bear for our Cajun seasoning. There's the list of ingredients. So you guys can see that. And, you know, adjust the cayenne and the jalapeno powder if you want more heat. I'm not really much for heat, so a little bit goes a long way for me. So let me get this brisket opened up, and we'll be right back.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this is what we got, our little 3-pounder. I'm not going to trim it because, you know, I want some of that fat to render down on top of it and baste. So we're going to just lightly sprinkle this little Bayou Bear on there.
It looks orange.
Yeah, it's orange because of the curing process that they do. Just kind of lightly sprinkle this on there. This is the actual, we're still test running this this Cajun spice. We did a low country boil and used it on that, and boy, it was good. It was real good.
It gave flavor to all the stuff in it.
Yeah. Got very, very good positive reviews on it. So, all right. So now we'll get it out to the Weber, and we'll get the water pan set up, and we'll be right back.
Go.
All right, so this is what we got. Got the PBR in there. Got the Bayou Bear on the.
Stop moving it.
Oh, sorry. Got the Bayou Bear on the corned beef. It's cooling down because I've had the lid off for a minute, but yeah. So I only put one can in. We'll let that boil off. I might put the second one in. So we'll check back here in a little while, and we'll let you know what's going on. It's 3:20 in the afternoon, so I'm thinking it's probably going to run about 4 or 5 hours, but we'll see. So there we go. Hey guys, all right, so we're back. This corned beef brisket, I ended up putting the second can of PBR in the water pan. It ran about 275. I turned it up after 5 hours, so I got it done because it stalled pretty bad. But ran it up to about 195. I used my probe and tested it, and man, it just went in really like butter. It was great. So I pulled it off, let it rest. I would have shot that, but it was dark outside. So let me show you here what we got. And boom, right there it is. That's a little guy. You remember it's only like three pounds or so. So we will. I already took my Instagram shot, so we'll go ahead and slice this up. A little bit of that, and a little crunch there. Yeah, buddy. Here's the crunch. So it's sliced a little thick, but still. Do the pull apart tip. Oh my goodness, that is good stuff. See if I can get up. There's a little more competition thin style for the brisket. But yeah, you can see it's pretty flimsy. It's rested for about an hour. And you can see all the juices right there. Wow. That's with the new Cajun rub that we've been testing out. You can see it come. Probably could have went a little bit longer to get that pull apart like everybody wants for the brisket, but this was the point, so it's not the flat, but it's got great bark. Man, I'm really digging this Cajun seasoning on it. Not really getting the PBR taste to it, but it was in there to add moisture to it. Probably why it's juicy as all get out. So that is my corned beef on the Weber kettle. That's all I got, man. Awesome. Give it a whirl. Try it out. All right. And remember, family that barbecues together stays together. Fire it up. Get your kids out there and just enjoy it.